Watch this video before you buy a trike motorcycle. In this video, I will cover all the essential stuff you need to know before hopping on that fancy three-wheel motorcycle. Well, before you throw down your hard-earned cash like you were down in a Vegas slot machine, let me play the role of a wise advisor. And as always, let's ride. Number 1, avoid the rookie mistakes. Let's start with the obvious. Don't be a noob. Just because a trike has 3 wheels doesn't mean you can just jump on it like it was your childhood big wheel. There is a learning curve here, folks. Sure, you're not going to tip over most of the times, but a trike motorcycle has different handling than two-wheelers. Leaning into turns? Yeah, forget about that. You're going to have to steer this bad boy like you're driving a car. Oh, and here's another classic rookie mistake. Believing because you have a three-wheeler, you're invincible. Spoiler alert, you're not. Trikes have great stability, but that doesn't mean you go around ignoring safety and common sense. You're still a target for all those distracted drivers with a coffee in one hand and a cell phone in the other. Pro tip, practice parking. No, seriously. Trikes are big, bulky, and take up a lot more space than what you think. Practice parking this beast in real-world situations unless you want to make a fool of yourself in the next bike night. Number 2, discover the pros and cons of trike motorcycles. You're probably thinking, 3 wheels are better than 2, right? Well, yes and no. Let's break this down into bite-sized pieces of reality. Pros, stability. No more worrying about tipping over at a red light or slow speed wobbling. You're on 3 wheels now, baby. Comfort. Trikes are often roomier than your average motorcycle, with cushy seats and plenty of leg room for the long haul. Some trikes come with a lot more cargo space than my granny's minivan. So pack those snacks, tools, and maybe that small dog if that's your thing. Size. I hope you're good at judging spatial distance because trikes are wide. Parking can sometimes feel like you're trying to dock a yacht in a kiddie pool. Price. You want 3 wheels? That's gonna cost you a lot more than 2-wheelers. Some trikes are priced like small luxury cars. Cool factor. Let's be real. Some people still think that trikes are for grandpas. But who cares? You'll be riding in comfort while they're nursing their backaches in the parking lot. Number 3, why stability on 3 wheels is a game changer. Let me paint you a picture. You're at a stoplight on your 2-wheel bike. All of a sudden, a gust of wind knocks you off balance. Your ego is bruised, and now you're that guy that ends up on YouTube by tipping his motorcycle at 0 miles an hour. With a trike, that scenario never happens. Stability on a trike means you're less likely to drop your ride or have an embarrassing oopsie in front of your buddies. And don't underestimate how much less stressful it is to ride something that won't throw you off like a bucking bronco when you hit gravel or loose grass. For those with a bad back, bad knees, and a bad attitude about falling over, a trike is a game changer. You can even stop for that great scenic selfie without having to worry about falling over that cliff. Number 4, comfort secrets for that long haul. If you're planning on using your trike motorcycle for long distance riding, comfort is key. You're not just riding to the grocery store, you're hitting the open road with your wind in your hair. The good news? Trikes are the Cadillac of the motorcycle world. They have plush seats, roomy footrests, and plenty of space to stretch out. But pro tip, don't just trust the stock setup. Customize that thing. Get a better seat if you need it. Some stock seats feel like sitting on a slab of concrete. Invest in a good quality backrest. And for the love of all that is holy, adjust those handlebars to you. Your body will thank you after the first 200 miles. Number 5, and the most important, save your wallet. Which trikes are worth the money? Ah yes, the $1 million question. Not really, but almost. Trikes can get expensive, so let's talk about the ones that would not have you selling a kidney just to buy one. My personal choice, the Harley-Davidson Freewheeler. It's a classic. You get the Harley name, the rumble in the V-twin engine, and a cool cruiser vibe. The downside, you're paying for that Harley name, so expect to shell out some cash. Can-Am Spyder. If you're looking for something like a cross between a futuristic robot and a snowmobile, this is the one. It's stable, it's fast, and comes with a bunch of techie features. Also, way less chance of your buddies calling you grandpa. Honda Goldwing Trike. If you're into luxury, this is the Rolls Royce of trikes. Smooth ride, excellent handling, and more features than a Swiss Army knife. But again, it'll cost you. Before you commit, think about how much you're willing to spend. The cheapest options sometimes can be as much as a used car. And the high-end models will make you question whether you have to sell both kidneys. Number 6, trike power. It's not just for grandpa anymore. I get it, trikes have a reputation. You've probably seen more retirees on trikes than on a Florida golf course. But here's the thing, trikes are not for grandpas anymore. In fact, they can pack some serious power under that hood or handlebars, whatever. Take the Harley Tri-Glide for instance. It packs a 1,868cc engine. It means that it's no longer a grandpa mobile, it's a beast. And the Can-Am Spyder, yeah, it has some torque. So don't let the old man stigma stop you from having fun. Number 7, customization options. Make your trike truly yours. One of the best things about trikes, the customization is endless. Want to slap some flames on the side or make your trike a rolling neon sign on wheels? You can do that. You want to add extra storage or install some exhaust pipes to make it sound badass? Go for it. Trikes are like giant canvases and you, my friend, you're the artist. The stock version is just the beginning. Add heated grips for those chilly mornings, a bigger windshield, or some fancy shiny rims. Make that trike your own because let's be real, half the fun of riding a trike is showing it off. Test ride, what to look for when you hit the road. Before you go emptying your bank account, first test ride a trike. And no, I don't mean around the parking lot, take it out on the road. Here's what to look for. Comfort. How is your butt feeling after 30 minutes of riding? If the answer is it feels like you've been sitting on a park bench for 12 hours, then maybe you need to change your seat. Handling. Does it steer smoothly or does it feel like you're riding an 18-wheeler? Make sure the handling fits your style. Braking. Trikes are heavy machinery. Test those brakes and make sure they stop this heavy mammoth machine. And finally, make sure you can handle this damn thing. Trikes are a blast, but they're a totally different animal compared to other bikes. If it feels right, go for it. If not, test ride another model until you find the one. Buying a trike can be the best decision you'll ever make, or it can be the most expensive mistake if you don't know what you're doing. Avoid the rookie errors and know what you're getting into, and always, always, always test ride that machine before you buy it. If you like this video, smash that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe, share with family and friends, and don't forget to watch this next video, and I'll see you there.